Bell and the world do all the talking. Monday morning, first rates after a brand new week. And what do we have? We have a flat start with a positive bias to the breadth. The breadth is phenomenally better than what we've seen in a long time. Vodafone is at 15 rupees now. You got, in terms of price action, NHPC is up 4%. You got Brightcom Group 8 rupees, 6% higher. I can ignore it. Jio Financial Services trending up smartly. You got Sri Renuka Sugar, which is up, trending up smartly. You got Ola Electric, which is at 119. Vedanta dividend payout news has started, so that is having impact on the stock per se. But nothing barring that which really could be called as a very smart mover. Hardly any big gainers also. At least the one from the recognizable name, Patel Engineering. Really nothing. I mean, really nothing sort of a market. Autos, yeah. Let's look at the Maruti, Escorts, Tata Motors. These three auto numbers have come out. Let's see where they settle right now. The auto index is in the green. It amazes me actually. It really amazes me that what is happening in the market in terms of where the market mood is, where the market breadth is, and how reaction is too, even though when news has not been strong. Maruti numbers were not great, but flat start. Tata Motors number were not that great, no crackdown. TVS numbers were strong, and I'm sure the reaction would be magnified. Let's look at TVS. Yeah, there you go. Markets are reacting significantly to good set of numbers, and markets are not punishing numbers where news is not great. That's the market mood we are in. Aisha?
That's down 2%. So, to be fair, the market is reacting to that dip that you had in the August sales data for Tata Motors. 2% now lower for Tata Motors, no less. Maruti, of course, like Nikunj highlighted, the numbers were in line. For TVS, it was impressive. The total sales have been higher by about 13%. What about Hero MotoCorp? The numbers just came out this morning, and the August sales are in line to about slightly higher than estimates. So look out for what Hero MotoCorp does. A big jump up there, 2.5% as we speak right now. Also RailTel and NHPC, given that the government has now granted Navratna status to both, those stocks will just come up for you on your screens. A big gap up move, 3.5% higher for RailTel, NHPC higher by 3% as we speak. Biocon, they've received an EIR for their Greenfield API facility in Visakhapatnam. So look out for that stock, 1% higher. And OMCs, given that IOC has hiked the commercial LPG price by a good 39 rupees per litre, OMCs, so HPBP IOC, they're the ones which are in focus, holding up in the green. Imami, they've acquired the MAN company. Look out for what that stock as well does. And for Gujarat Gas, the brokerage feelers have not been all that great. They're saying that the merger is only going to add to volatility for them. What about the suspected new F&O inclusions? I want to check in on those. What is Zomato up to? What's Varun Beverages up to? Jio Financials? Zomato just mildly soft right now. By the way, Gujarat Gas had a huge pop-up, flat for Varun Beverages. What about Avenue Supermarts? Because these two in any case are liquid counters. And Jio Financial Services, which is higher by about 1%. Avenue now almost touching that 5,000 rupee per share mark.